So we have a bulb here that's working and then it's not working. What is the problem? The bulb is working, not working, trying to twist a little bit more. It is, there's nothing wrong.
Flat bottom.
Flat bottom. Yeah.
If you look in here, there's no nipple.
There's nothing sticking out of why that is. Is it because of the wire, or is it because those million bulbs are junk?
It's the million bulb that has a flat bottom. They had a year that was...
This year they had the flat bottom, they didn't stick out at all. And so what you can do is you put a new bulb in it that has a nice bigger one out there. You can see the difference. And you can also tell that it is two different bulbs because it's two different batches because of the plastic piece out of it too. So put that bulb in there and see if it works, or is it the wire itself? Nope, we can move it around. We can do, might be that wire. So, but there you go. Fixing a problem. I think it might be your socket.